Hello viewers! Homemade halwas are one of the best treats to make, especially when it is creamy and delicious carrot halwa. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First, heat a tablespoon of ghee. Add in 10 chopped cashews and 10 chopped almonds. Fry these till they turn nice and golden. Now, add 2 tablespoons of golden raisins and continue to fry till raisins plump up. Take off from heat and set aside. Next, heat 2 cups of milk in a pan. And bring to a boil. Add in 500 grams of grated carrot Mix this well and continue to cook, stirring occasionally. Until all the milk evaporates completely. Next, add in 1 cup sugar and mix through. Sugar begins to melt and becomes gooey. When the syrup reduces to half, add in 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the syrup has thickened fully, add in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now, add in half a cup of Khova. Break the Khova lumps and mix through. Until it's mixed uniformly. Turn off heat and add in the fried dry fruits. Creamy and delicious carrot halwa is ready. Serve warm with vanilla ice cream or enjoy as is. See you in the next one.